In this video, we are going to discuss the reabsorption of bicarbonate and secretion of hydrogen ion and mechanisms of kidney in preventing metabolic acidosis and disturbance of acid-base status. Kidney plays an important role in maintenance of acid-base balance by excreting hydrogen ions and retaining bicarbonate ions. Normally, urine is acidic in nature, with a pH of 4.5 to 6. Metabolic activities in the body produce large quantity of acids with lot of hydrogen ions, which threaten to push the body towards acidosis. However, kidneys prevent this by two ways. One by reabsorption of bicarbonate ions, and other by secretion of hydrogen ions. This was all about this section. In our next section, we will talk about the reabsorption of bicarbonate ions and secretion of hydrogen ions.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.